In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly save and export your designs from Sketchpad. Whether you're an aspiring designer or just tackling a creative project for fun, the ability to save your work in the right format is essential. So let's dive right in and explore the steps you need to follow to export your artwork as a PDF from Sketchpad. First, we need to get started by accessing the Sketchpad tool. Open up your web browser and head over to sketchpad.app.in. This is where your creative journey will begin. Once the site is loaded, either create a brand new design by exploring the tools available in the app, or simply open an existing design you'd like to work on. The Sketchpad interface is intuitive and offers a vast array of options to bring your artistic ideas to life. With your artwork set on the canvas, the next step is crucial: opening the Save/Export menu. Cast your eyes over to the left toolbar, where you'll find a familiar icon that looks like a floppy disk. It's our trusty companion whenever we need to save or export a design. Click that Save/Export icon, and a menu will pop up offering you various options. Now it's time to choose the export format that best suits your needs. The pop-up menu provides several options, and here's a quick rundown to help you decide. If you opt for PNG, the transparency of your design will be preserved, keeping any checkerboard background invisible. A JPG format, on the other hand, provides a smaller file size but doesn't support transparency. For documents or anything you intend to print, PDF is an excellent choice. Finally, if you need a scalable vector file, SVG is your best friend. For this tutorial, let's focus on exporting as a PDF. It's important to mention that the basic PDF export offered by Sketchpad is free, which is great news for anyone looking to avoid extra costs. Simply click on the PDF option in the list, and you're one step away from completing the process. To finalize, go ahead and click the Download button. This action will initiate the saving of your design as a PDF file onto your computer. Once downloaded, you can easily locate the PDF in your designated Downloads folder or specified location. This file is now ready to share, print, or store for future use. There you have it, a simple and effective way to save and export your creations from Sketchpad as a PDF.